Hey, I'm up here in Estrella Mountain Ranch. This is the community of Cordoba, the neighborhood of Cordoba within Estrella Mountain Ranch. And this is a beautiful home that's just about 3 years old, original owners. I'm gonna walk through real quick, but what I'm gonna talk about is what makes this house such a great deal. Okay, so it's a beautiful home, 3,100 square feet, a little over. It does have leased solar panels. It does have smart home technology that the owners, who are the original owners, have added to the house. They've also finished the backyard. And so this home currently is still available from the builder and has a base price of right around $700,000. This home is priced at $648,000. But once again, I'm going to talk more about the deal. Okay, so current owners have a VA loan that is assumable, and the interest rate is 2.25%. That is what makes this deal, or this particular home, such a great opportunity for a buyer. Currently, anywhere in the country, the issue is affordability, since interest rates have gone up so much. And so there's been a little bit of a lag here in the Phoenix market due to, there had been a very sharp rise in values, and then followed by, wow, that's beautiful. That's going to go into the master. Followed by a very sharp increase in interest rates earlier in the first and second quarter, really the second quarter of 2022. And so currently interest rates are somewhere in the 5+%. This home has a 2.25% assumable loan. Okay, now I've got the details that I could help you with as a buyer, but just consider that makes the home very much affordable. And so in order to keep myself relevant and separate myself from the crowd of realtors that you could choose from, I'm always looking to see how I can offer the best in services, right? And so for buyers in this market, beautiful. For buyers in this market, you're going to want to be working with somebody that's outside the box, that's looking for creative ways to save you money. That makes sense to still be a home buyer. And so if you're moving from California or from another state, and you've sold your home and you've got a good amount of money that you'd be putting down, you can avoid having to get a new mortgage at current market rates, and you can assume a loan like this. I'll have a list of homes like this on a regular basis, because we're going to start seeing this more often as this market has shifted. So real good realtors are going to be, if you're a listing agent, you're going to be talking to your owners about what they can do, that they can set themselves and their home apart from the masses, right? Because we've had an increase in inventory. Although it's still only about 18,000 units, that's still a significant increase from where we were. And because there's less buyers in the market and there's so many more options, you've really got to stick out as a seller to bring people into the door. And a 2.25% rate will do it. So I will have, on a regular basis, a list of homes that are in the MLS by city, and I work the West Valley, so Central Phoenix, all the way to Buckeye. I'll have lists of homes that'll have assumable loans, whether they be VA or an FHA. Andrew, Texidor, HomeSmart, the Clear Choice Offers Group. You can reach me at 602-909-9414. Hit me up, Messenger, or any one of my methods of contact, whichever is best for you. And let's help you, whether you're a buyer or seller in this market, navigate the current market.